supposed to be still in one piece. Alright, y'all, so today, it always seems like I'm around something of mine that's breaking, but unfortunately, this is a common problem with these 450s, which what I found from friends. So go to start the bike up. And that screaming, I'm gonna call it my starter clutch. I've replaced one before. Got a little couple tools with me this time. Should make my job a little bit easier. I'll get my man. Should kick some of this Milwaukee shit out of here. Yeah. You want to talk to Milwaukee? Should we let him stay? Should we charge him? What do you want to do? You want to go get the grinder? But anyway, yeah. So we're gonna pull this thing off. We're gonna test it before we get to ripping it open. But we'll pull it off. Try to get a couple videos step by step. It's not really a hard job. So we're gonna start with pulling all of this off. Hit these Allen keys here. We're gonna have to remove this brake lever to get to some of our bolts behind here. All right, so got my brake lever off, like I said. I took the bolts out, 1, 2, 3, all the way around. I lined them up there, so when I go back, that's my number one. I already took the one gear off here. Gasket's off. I'm gonna replace that. It's still good. I'm gonna take this clutch basket off. I got a tool that I'll show you guys in a minute, but we're gonna take this off so we can access our gear here. So we're gonna take this off, take that off, replace all of that good old stuff. Very easy. So far, all I used was an L key. You need the L key for there. You're gonna need the 8 for all of your bolts here. And I believe, yeah, this is a 10. And I used a 10. And the 10 is gonna work for your clutch basket also. So that's where we at right now. All right, so got the clutch basket off, pulled it off in one piece. Still got one plate left in there. But these little locking tabs, they just bend, keep your nut from backing off. So I already tapped that back. Get yourself a flat head or something. Tap it, bend that back. And we have a clutch tool right here. I didn't adjust it, but we're gonna need to hold this in place. I'll get a better shot in a second. Let me get my socket first. All right, so if you notice, when I put this on here, this is a 1 1/16. If you put that on there, see that'll just spin. So get your clutch tool. Just put it on there. Got one hand, but I have to adjust it. But y'all get it. You put it on there. You can get this for like 11 or 12 bucks right off Amazon. Put that on there, and that way you can hold this basket tight while you loosen that nut up. All right. So that's where I set it. Loosened it up. Broke it. Take that off. Set that down. Take that off. We're gonna release that. And can expose some more goodies. So let me set this phone down once again. So our next step, got my gear jam in there. I'm gonna lock it on there so we can back this, so we can back that next bolt out. You can also get this right on Amazon, 10 bucks, something like that. Not a whole lot at all. That bolt was a little bit harder than I thought. Had to use this breakaway bar. Got that loose though. So now we can pull that bad boy off and up out of there to replace it. Okay. Alright, I need 2 hands. Now I'm trying to see how I can get y'all to see this, because let's see if I can hold my phone like that. Alright, so this is my old one. This is a one-way clutch gear, and I'm putting force on that thing, and I can't get it to go either goddamn way. Now, here's my new one, fresh out the box. See that? Goes one way. And here, I can't get it to budge. That's probably why my bike is whining when I'm trying to start it up. Could be this gear gone bad. It's my hands all greasy. Sometimes this gear, this is your starter. Sometimes this can get stripped. But this time, we're right here with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that replacement. See if I can get my baby back. Alright, so that's back on. I jammed at the bottom, same way I did when I took it off. See how, so it doesn't move, so you can tighten that bolt back up. One thing I did not point out, I'm kind of mad because this thing is back on, but you might can see that little circle right there. So when you take to dot, when you take this off, it's gonna be 2 dots. You're gonna line them 2 dots up. Man, and I cannot take it off. It's either this dot or that dot, but you can't miss it. When you take that off, you're gonna line up 2 dots. You'll probably see it. If you wanna rewind this video, you'll probably be able to go back and see those 2 dots on one of these other videos or one of these other clips I just posted, but you wanna line those 2 dots up when you're putting this thing on, back on. And I apologize for that. But unfortunately, this is my second time doing it, and I'm not trying to take it back off. So, but it's 2 dots there, just line them up. Y'all can still hit that subscribe button for me. We learning this thing, we doing this thing together. We making it work. All right, y'all, we got this thing all put back together. So, we did replace this, which I did a little video, a little clip a little minute ago. But what ended up being was this gear here. And if we watch, I grip it. See it spin? Shit, if I can get it. That is not supposed to do that. And right there, could be a few things though. Sometimes it could be this gear gone bad. It's supposed to be still in one piece. So that noise that we heard when we were starting it, just crank it up, keys on. Baby back in motion. Got a little oil burning, smoking off, but yeah. So pretty much that gear right here is the gear that was causing us our issues. So it took about, I'm gonna say probably about maybe 45 minutes if I wasn't fucking off, excuse my language. That was it. Put engine ice back inside the engine. This is the engine I use, the oil I use. That's pretty much it. Test that motherfucker out this weekend.
Checking out.